to PetPeePee.
It's good. Hello, my name is Meir Martin. I'm the owner of PetPeePee, and I'm the one that's carried the rug from FedEx truck that's come to me from the middle of the state from a nice lady that she having 8 by 10 Oriental rug that her dog used to pee on the rug, and without any knowledge she folded the rug, put it in the attic, and the rug was stored in the attic for more than 10 years. After the dog passed away, the lady decided to pull the rug and see if she can use it. However, the rug smelled so bad that she searched the internet who can clean Oriental rug from urine odor and remove all the unpleasant smell. And here we are. I am here specifically to clean the Oriental rug from dirt, soil, and removing the bacteria that cause the bad smell. So how we do that? The Oriental rug laid on the vacuum floor flat. Nobody touched the rug to avoid any color run or any fuzziness. Because when you touch the rug, when you use a scrubber on Oriental rug, you pull the hair and the rug is not going to look the way how you want it. We flood the rug with the odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea. This cleaning product, it's totally odor-free. We clean the rug, and the vacuum from under the rug pull everything through the fiber, through the bottom of the rug, when the area that nobody can reach except the PetPeePee machine. And the tube show me what is in the rug. The first cleaning process, the tube it's really dirty. And when we progress in the cleaning process, the tube will become lighter and lighter until it will be completely clear. Then we add the organic, natural cleaning product into the solution, and we cycle the solution through the rug. This mysterious cleaning product that I invented will kill any residue of bacteria that is in the rug. When we complete the cleaning process, the tube will be completely milky, clear tube, no crystal in it. I know I'm going to receive 5-star review from the lady. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense. Thank you for watching PetPeePee. Please stay tuned and see how to fold Oriental rug for shipping or for storage. Thank you.